Okay, let's try one more. Okay, so this says 13x minus 2y plus 4x minus 8y plus 6. Okay, I think instead of picking on people, I can't believe I'm actually going to do this. Everyone's had 2 chances today, so I'm allowed to do this today. And ask for a volunteer. Can somebody give me a first step? No, I'm skipping you because you answered the last one. Okay, what do we do here?
You put the x's together and the y's together.
Good. Okay. You must have a wonderful grade 9 teacher. First semester. Awesome. Okay, so you don't have to do this, okay? But all the point of doing that is now it's easier to add the x's because you're not going to miss anything. It's easier to add the y's because you're not going to miss anything. It's easier to add the numbers. Can I get a third person to be tremendously brave? Noah and Bailey are out. Karina, go ahead.
Would you add 13 and 4
Good.
together and then add, yeah.
Gonna add?
1 second. And then would you subtract, wait, no, what would you do after that? Like, would you subtract?
Yeah, we just do negative 2 plus negative. So negative 2 plus negative 8 or negative 2 minus 8. That's going to be negative 10. Is this starting to come back, I hope, people? Yes, hasn't left? Okay, let's go to some fun questions then. Jay. 4, 3x minus 2. Okay. I'm going to ask for a 5th volunteer. Sorry, those 3 people who volunteered. Somebody else, please. And also, what do we do here, please?
So you can use distributive one with 2
Again? Good.
and minus 8.
Very good. So what he did, excellent. What he did there was the 4 hits both of those things, right? So 4 times 3x is 12x, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. I know I'm losing you guys because you guys are tired, but we're only on the second day. Your mind's fresh and going here. I'm sorry, I love algebra. Why didn't you marry it? I couldn't. Okay, so I'm just joking. That was the king's my way. Did I mention, sorry, I'm recording her. She won't watch this anyway. That's all right. Okay. Okay. This question is where life is starting to get possibly difficult. Okay, this looks awful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to suggest you do what I was saying before. Just ignore this part because that's messy. Can I get someone new to be brave and do 2 times x plus y? Go ahead.
Yeah, 2x plus 2y.
Good. So all he did there, correctly mind you, was 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times y is 2y. Wonderful. Now I need someone that's got a great deal of self-confidence and broad shoulders and is okay if I say I'm sorry you're incorrect. Raise your hand and do the right-hand bracket for me. Go ahead.
Negative 9x. Negative.
Okay, I'm glad you changed that at the last second there, okay? This has to change to positive, okay? Can somebody please, other than Derek, tell me why I had to change that to plus? I like what a plus. Now go ahead. Yeah, you're actually multiplying this entire negative 3, right? The sign goes with it, right? So the negative 3 multiplies by the 3x, and the negative 3 also multiplies by the negative 2y. All right, I'm close to being done this question. I'm also close to being done today's lesson. What do I do to finish this one up? Okay, go ahead.
You put the like terms together?
Good. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it as 2x minus 9x plus 2y plus 6y. Now I know, sorry, Aiden, I keep on picking on you. Aiden at the back is thinking, oh, Mr. Sadler, I'm a math professional, I know everything about math. I don't want to show this middle step. Okay? That is technically okay, but I guarantee Aiden, you're going to make a mistake one day if you don't show that step, or anyone else in the class is thinking that, okay? So, especially when I get to my next example, it's going to be 2 boards wide. Okay, right? Keep yourself organized with this. Can I get a final volunteer to tell me what 2x minus 9x is, please? Go ahead, Noah.
So 7x plus
hope you said negative 7x, plus 8 y. Sorry, let me just let you know, I want to do a little chance here though. All right, I want to do one, I'll write your homework on the board, then I'm going to put one awesome question on, okay, so I don't forget. Now, just so you know where Aiden and Aiden, I'm putting homework on here again. Got it? I'm writing it down right now. Everyone's got it? Cassie, we're good? Homework's been written on here again. You know what I'm going to do, actually, I can't believe I'm going to say this. That number 1 on the last part you can get rid of, equals to number 2. So the homework is going to be that and page 462, number 2. Only. So those are the 2 sets right there. Okay? I'm going to throw one more awesome question, then I'm going to stop. Okay? Just so you're aware, this is how the pace of the class is going to go. Okay, so like this the whole year. If you hate examples, you're going to hate this class. I'm sorry, because I love examples. We got to K, that is almost half of the alpha L. That's really good. That's 12 examples straight, I think. That's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to pick the most difficult question I can think of, which is going to be this. Oh, Mr. Sadler, you diabolical. Does anyone recall how you do the first bracket? Bailey, go.
3x squared plus 12x.
Oh, holy moly, hold on a second. Bailey, where did that x squared come from? Good. Now, when you're doing these, you're going to multiply the coefficients, and then you're going to multiply the variables that go with it. Okay, so very good, excellent. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 4 is going to be 12x. Wonderful, excellent, tremendous, even. Can I get a second volunteer to be brave? This person has to have broad shoulders, okay, because there's a negative in there. Noah, go. Oh,
Negative
yeah,
2x squared
good.
plus 2 plus 11.
Because remember your timesing, right? Right? So right, 2 times 9 is going to be 18, your timesing, right? But you got the plus thing, right? The reason it changed to plus is because the, the 2 negatives can be done with that. Okay, can I get someone else who's brave but quiet? Liam, to help me rearrange this, please.
Okay, so
No, you're too brave and quiet. Okay, I'll help you. So what I'm just going to do, I'll help you to run low on time here. I'm just going to put the x squares together, and then I'm going to put the numbers together. And I'm going to finish this up, and hopefully we'll be done before the bell rings. Okay, I'm going to get out of the way. Hopefully, no questions. Okay, this hopefully should be coming back from last year, I hope. Yes, did you remember this from last year? Good. Okay, go to your grade 9 teachers. He or she must have been awful. You do all this algebra. Must have hated that. Yes.
You got shoulder down.
What's that? No, 1x squared. Oh, good question. Okay, before you guys pack up, the question was you don't show the 1. 1x squared is like x squared, right? Like, so 1x to the 1 is actually on an x. It's an invisible 1 before the x, the exponent. It's an invisible 1 exponent, so that was. All right, don't tell your parents I stopped 2 minutes early today, please. Not even.